Welcome back to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. In this episode, we continue our journey through the fascinating world of fungi. Today, we'll explore the kingdom of Ascomycetes, also known as Sac Fungi. This group is incredibly important, not only in the ecosystem but also in human use, from baking and brewing to antibiotic production. Let's dive in and understand their salient features, reproduction, and significance for NEET and beyond. Ascomycetes include both unicellular fungi like yeast and multicellular forms such as Aspergillus and Penicillium. Their mycelium is usually branched and septate, and they thrive on decaying organic matter, soil, or even dung. These fungi are known as sac fungi because they produce spores inside a sac-like structure called an ascus. Ascomycetes reproduce both asexually and sexually. In asexual reproduction, they produce Conidia on specialized structures called conidiophores, which is seen in fungi like Penicillium and Aspergillus. In sexual reproduction, they form Ascospores inside a sac-like structure known as an ascus. These Asci are usually packed within fruiting bodies called Ascocarps. Ascomycetes include some of the most important fungi. Yeast or Saccharomyces is used in fermentation and alcohol production. Penicillium gave us the famous antibiotic penicillin. Neurospora is widely used in genetic studies and is often called the Drosophila of the plant kingdom. On the harmful side, Claviceps purpurea causes ergot disease in rye and produces toxic alkaloids. Let's quickly recap what we have learned. Ascomycetes are sac fungi with septate mycelium. They reproduce by Conidia asexually, and by Asci and Ascospores sexually inside Ascocarps. Examples include yeast, Penicillium, Neurospora, and Claviceps. Economically, they are important in fermentation, antibiotic production, and research, but some also cause diseases like ergot. Here's your challenge question for today. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of Ascomycetes? Is it A. Reproduction by zoospores, B. Reproduction by Basidiomycetes, C. Presence of Asci producing Ascospores, or D. Cenocytic mycelium? Comment your answers or send it to us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Great job learning about Ascomycetes. We saw how they reproduce with Asci and Ascospores, their role as yeasts and molds, and their importance in nature and industry. But fungi don't stop here. In the next episode, we'll explore Basidiomycetes, mushrooms, puffballs, and bracket fungi, and discover why they are called the club fungi. Don't miss our daily NEET MCQs and PYQs series linked in the description and in the cards above. And also, don't forget, our daily NEET Biology podcast come out at 7 p.m. See you in the next episode.